guys, welcome to Best TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys our newest Sublimation skinny tumblers. Yes, that's right, we launched new skinny tumblers again. And they are the metallic plated glitter skinny tumblers. They are available in 3 metallic colors: gold, silver, and pink. And just very unique and very different from the others. And they got this very amazing mirror effect, very glossy, and they can reflect things. And if you look at them closer, you can see the beautiful iridescent glitters on the surface. Just very stunning. And they are also perfect for sublimation printing, but we recommend you to choose some dark color designs and print with some logos, monograms, and names. After printing, they will be very cool to carry around. So now you know all the attractive features of our new tumblers: the cool metallic colors, the reflective mirror effect, the iridescent glitters on the surface, and the amazing sublimation result. If you are planning to buy some skinny tumbler blanks, these are the perfect choices for you to start your business with. And we also supply the tumbler heat press for tumbler printing if you want them. And if you want more information, please send an email to best@bestsub.net. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.